Logical thinking in everyday life, practical applications. Title: Logical thinking in everyday life, practical applications. Introduction, 100 words. Logical thinking is the cornerstone of rational decision-making and problem-solving. While it is often associated with academic or scientific disciplines, its value extends far beyond the classroom. In fact, logical thinking plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, helping us make informed choices, analyze situations objectively, and arrive at sound conclusions. 1. Decision-making, 300 words. In our fast-paced world, decision-making is a constant necessity. Logical thinking aids us in this process by allowing us to evaluate options objectively, consider potential consequences, and make informed choices. By employing logical reasoning, we can identify patterns, weigh evidence, and assess the logical coherence of arguments. This skill helps us avoid impulsive decisions and reduce the likelihood of regret. In complex situations, logical thinking enables us to break down problems into smaller components, facilitating a more systematic and efficient decision-making process. 2. Problem-solving, 300 words. Problem-solving is an inherent part of life, at both personal and professional levels. Logical thinking equips us with the ability to identify problems, analyze their underlying causes, and devise effective solutions. By carefully assessing the available evidence, logical thinkers can make logical deductions, evaluate different hypotheses, and construct coherent arguments to support their conclusion. Science. Moreover, the systematic approach of logical thinking enables us to apply problem-solving techniques consistently, leading to improved outcomes and increased success rates. 3. Communication, 300 words. Effective communication requires logical thinking to ensure clarity and consistency in our messages. Logical thinkers are adept at structuring their ideas in a logical sequence, making their argument more coherent and persuasive. By recognizing fallacies and inconsistencies, they can critically evaluate the arguments of others, promoting productive discussions and reducing misunderstandings. Logical thinking also helps us in presenting complex ideas in a simplified manner, enabling better understanding by our audience. 4. Emotional intelligence, 200 words. Logical thinking also ties in with emotional intelligence, as it helps individuals process and manage their emotions effectively. By applying logical reasoning, we can examine the validity of our emotional responses, identify the root causes, and consider alternative perspectives. This self-awareness allows us to regulate our emotions and make rational choices, even in challenging situations. Logical thinking also helps us empathize with others, recognize their emotional cues, and respond more thoughtfully. Through logical analysis, we can explore solutions that serve the best interests of all parties involved, fostering healthier interpersonal relationships. 5. Personal development, 300 words. Developing logical thinking skills contributes greatly to personal growth and intellectual curiosity. Logical thinkers are lifelong learners who actively seek knowledge, challenge assumptions, and engage in critical thinking. By embracing logical thinking, individuals gain the ability to evaluate information critically, distinguish fact from fiction, and make well-grounded judgments. This skill is particularly important in the digital age, where misinformation and fake news abound. Logical thinkers engage in continuous learning and use evidence-based reasoning to avoid being swayed by unroll. Bible sources. Title: Logical Thinking in Everyday Life, Practical Applications. Introduction, 100 words. Logical thinking is the cornerstone of rational decision-making and problem-solving. While it is often associated with academic or scientific disciplines, its value extends far beyond the classroom. In fact, logical thinking plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, helping us make informed choices, analyze situations objectively, and arrive at sound conclusions. 1. Decision-making, 300 words. In our fast-paced world, decision-making is a constant necessity. Logical thinking aids us in this process.